morning, all of you. Am I audible to you? First, all of you mute your microphone. To oak. Okay? Good morning, all of you. All of you, first mute your microphone. Now this is your EVS class. I am fine. How are you? Don't change any setting, okay? So today I will start your EVS class, and in the last class we have already completed our question answer of the chapter about myself, okay? And last two topics are present, that is page number 10. All of you open page number 10. Put your heads together. This topic, okay? Put your heads together in pairs. Grow a plant in class and give a name to it. Learn how to take care of the plant and take turns to water it regularly. You can ask your teacher for help. Okay, so first in a pot some soils are there, and then you will put some seeds, different types of seeds like gram or pulses, okay, or paddy, okay. Next, up to 2 to 4 days you will give water regularly and take this pot and keep this pot in the sunlight, okay. When in the some days the seeds are germinate, and then the plant is grown up, okay. Sorry. Next, cross connect. Write a few lines about yourself in your notebook and paste or draw some of your picture, okay. Write a few lines about yourself in your notebook and paste or draw some of your picture. Example, I am dash your name. I am dash 7 or 8 years old. Okay, I read in Bardwan Model School in class 2. Okay, and we live in Bardwan with my parents or with my grandparents. Okay, this type. So first I am dash. Write down your name. I am 7 years old. I am 7 years old. I read in class 2 at Bardwan Model School. Bardwan Model okay. I am dash. I am write down your name. Okay, I am 7 years old. I read in class 2 in Bardwan Model School. I live in Bardwan with my parents. Okay, with my parents. Next, I like to, or my favorite hobby, or my hobby is drawing. Okay, I like to eat your your favorite food like fried rice, chili chicken. Okay, so my hobby is gardening. Okay, my hobby is gardening. And draw or paste your picture. Okay, so all of you write down this in your copy and then paste your picture or draw your picture. Okay. Completed. So next today I will start your chapter, that is our body. Okay, chapter number 2, our body. Chapter number 2, our body. And page number 11. So listen carefully. See this book, page in this page, and here 2 pictures are there. There are some boys and girls. They are exercising in the park. All of you first mute your microphone. Okay. All of you first mute your microphone. Here, 2 boys and 1 girl are there, and next 1 boy and 1 girl. Okay. First one, the boy is told that we should exercise like this every day, and we also exercise every day. We should also exercise every day. Okay. How do you feel when you run a lot? Do you like to play games in the park? How do you feel when you run a lot? And do you like to play games in the park? Number 1, we should exercise like this every day. And then the girl told that the heart beats faster when we exercise. I can hear your heartbeat. Okay, we also do when we run fastly, or when we exercise, and when we jump, then we feel our heartbeat. Okay. Yes, drum like structure. So the heartbeat faster when we exercise. I can hear your heartbeat. Okay, so first one, the sentence is we should exercise like this every day. We should exercise like this every day. Okay, and another sentence, that is the heart beats faster when we exercise, and I can hear your heartbeat. The heartbeat beats faster when we exercise. I can hear your heartbeat. Priyanshi, any question? Ma'am, I can. Okay. Will I write this? Yes, you can write down in your copy, okay? If any question or any problem, please tell me, okay? So the heartbeats faster when we exercise. I can hear your heart. Priyanshi cannot see the board. Priyanshi, first cut the call and then rejoin, okay? I can hear your heartbeat. Okay, next, start your topic. This page, okay? When we look in the mirror, we can see the different parts of our body. Okay, when we look in the mirror, we can see different parts of our body like head, eye, nose, okay, neck, chest, arm, elbow, and knee, leg, foot. Okay, so different parts of our body we can see when we look in the mirror. Different parts of our body do different things, like the legs help us to run or to stand, eye help us to see, ear help us to hear different sound, okay, and finger help us write any or writing any, okay. So different parts of our body do different things. They all work together so that we can eat, sit, play, study, and sleep. So different parts of our body do different things. They all work together so that we can eat, sit, play, study, and sleep. Okay, and each part of our body that carries out a particular function is known as organ. This is very important question. What is organ? Okay, question is what is organ? Okay, so what is organ? Each part of our body that carries out a particular function is known as an organ. Okay, so answer is each part of our body that carries out a particular function. A particular function is known as an organ. Yes, these three types is known as an organ. Okay, this is very important question. What is organ? So organ is each part of our body that carries out a particular function is known as an organ. Okay, next, the organs are of three types. Okay, like external organs. The organs are three types: external organs, internal organs, and sense organs. Okay. So, how many types of organs are present in our body? So, the three types of organs are present in our body. Okay. So, organs are three types. Organs are three types. So, first one, all of you write down. First one, external organs, internal organs, and sense organs. Sense organ is 5. Okay. Aryan, external organ is, sorry, sense organ is 5. And total organs that are divided into three types, that is external, internal, and sense organ. External organ, internal organ, and sense organ. Okay. So organs are three types. These are external organ, internal organ, and sense organ. So completed. So today I have completed up to this portion. Okay. Up to the three types of organs are external organs, internal organs, and sense organs. Okay. So next classes we will start our external organs. Okay. So now today's time is over, and students who are present, please respond in your chat box.